Good morning. In chapter 3rd, circle. Okay. In 3.1, they have provided you this figure. Naturally, it is a circle up center. See, they provided you information that radius of this circle is 6 m and you have to find out measure of this angle CAB, this one. Okay, so at first what they had provided, which information they had provided you, they ask you that the radius of circle is 6 m. May I say that CA is the radius of the circle? Yes, by all means, C is the center and A is point on this circumference. So, segment joining this center and any point on the circle is radius. So, radius CA is radius which is of 6 cm. Okay. So, now they want to find out this angle CAB. They had provided you information that this AB is a tangent. Okay. Now see, AB is a tangent and this A is point of contact. See, through this point A, this tangent is touching to the circle. Now remember, it means line AB is a tangent. Now that theorem is the tangent at any point of a circle. Okay, the tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular. What do you mean by perpendicular? Means it makes angle of 90 degree. Okay, it's perpendicular to the radius through this point of contact. Means this theorem says that if AB is a tangent and if A is point of contact, this tangent is touching to the circle through this point, no? So A is the point of contact. And if we are drawing a radius through this point of contact, no? Have we drawn? Yes, through A we have drawn a radius CA. So, it makes angle of 90 degree. It is perpendicular. This tangent is perpendicular to this radius through this point of contact, and this is called as tangent theorem. According to tangent theorem, that the point of contact, okay, if we draw a radius through this point of contact, then it is perpendicular, means it is making angle of 90 degree to this point of contact. Okay, that's what I have written here. The tangent at any point of a circle. So this is a tangent and it is drawn through this point A. It is a point of contact. That tangent is touching to the circle through this point A. That's why A is the point of contact. Okay, so the tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular. What do you mean by perpendicular? Means making angle of 90 degree. Is perpendicular to the radius. Is it a radius? Yes, by all means that AC or CA is radius. It's perpendicular to the radius through this point of contact. And this one is called as tangent theorem. So I said by this tangent theorem, it is perpendicular, no? Perpendicular means making angle of 90 degree. That's why this angle means angle CAB or angle BAC is of 90 degree. Okay, so here we learn that tangent theorem. Is it a tangent? Yes, it is a tangent because it is touching to a circle in a single point. Which is point of contact? That A is point of contact. Through that point they have drawn radius. Yes, they have drawn radius. Which is that radius? AC or CA. Now here that this one is perpendicular to this tangent. Perpendicular means making angle of 90 degree. As it is a tangent, so it is called as tangent theorem. And by this tangent theorem, this angle CAB is equal to 90 degree.